everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this video under 2 minutes. It's really easy. Let's start. At first we need to insert a new slide. In this new slide we need to create 3 rectangles, 3 circles. It's really easy. Hold shift and control, then draw your circle. 1, press control and draw 3 another. I'm going to copy the 3 of them because they are ready. And after creating these 3 shapes, it's important to write a text in them. But after writing the text in them, for this text I'm going to use this shape format for the beautifuler effect, and after that just color them up and give them a shadow. This shadow bottom left is good for each of them. After that, copy this slide and select all of them and go to shape format, align them center middle, then bring them here up. And now copy this shape another time. For the better result, I'm going to delete this thing and color this thing a little blue, and then set the transition to morph. But you see, I need to copy that and send it to back of here. Okay, it's great. Now let you see. Look, it's looking very amazing. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything.